So for this card chain, you need a little gimmick. So the gimmick is little double side tape, and you just take any card, simple this card, and you just place this sticky tape on the card like this. So this is your gimmick or your preparation. You just place a double side tape on any card. This is your gimmick. So this is the sticky tape, and you just place it on the bottom of your deck. First, I will show you how this works before we go into the full routine, because this chain is better when you put it on your routine. Example, you want to change this to card from Ace of Clubs into Ten of Hearts. And remember, this is your gimmick on the bottom, this kitty right here. So you just place the final card right here on top of your deck, out joke, and you just cut deck and place it. Remember, this is your gimmick, and place it on top, and you can give a press. So right now, your selection is stick into your gimmick. So when you push it down, your gimmick will pull down. Okay, so here this pressure, and you just take your deck, you just place your deck, just put it like this first, and you just push the entire selection like this. So you remember, your gimmick right now pull down on your card box. After that, just place the changing card, place it behind your selection, and after that everything is working. You just drop and they will change, and after that you can immediately pull it because it still stick with your gimmick. All you do, you just place your thumb on the back and just let go or fill up the final cut, and immediately pull it out for the examination. That's it. That's the work of this chain. So now this is the routine. Remember your gimmick. Okay, put it on the bottom of your deck, and you can start by if you want it, you can do a pause shuffle. Okay, make sure your gimmick stay on the bottom. After that, you ask your spectator to choose any card. This is completely free choice. They can choose any card, example this card, and of course they can sign it. Remember, after they choose this card, put it on top, out joke, and just cut your deck in half, and remember this is your gimmick, and put it on top of their selection. After that, you can show it like this. Remember, take your card case and place it the deck on your card case, and pull it down, pull down, make the selection look like lost in the deck. Just push it like this. Okay, you can rearrange. After that, you can take any card, example this front card, just take, and remember, place it behind. You can see it right here, this is the gap. You can place your changing card behind the selection like this, and remember, you can display for a moment and ask them to concentrate on this card, and after just drop everything, they will change into the selection. After that, remember, just fill up, okay, by place your thumb. Okay, remember this is the first card is completely covered. You can pull it down and press, let go the selection from your gimmick like this, and you can immediately hand out this final card to your spectator, and everything is examinable.